Religion typically addresses our relationship with the divine. Now that depends on two things: how we define ourselves and also how we define the divine. And both who we are and what the divine is can be defined in different ways in different religious teachings. Who are we? Are we a body? Are we a mind? Are we a reincarnating soul? Are we some portion of divinity? Who are we? What is the divine? Is the divine an old man in heaven? Is the divine a particular set of qualities? Is the divine a light? Is it a form? Is it defined by various theologies? What is it? So we have to understand these things. Now, Hindu Dharma makes it very simple. First of all, relative to who we are, it says that we are that same light of consciousness that pervades the entire universe. And it's that light and energy of consciousness that then is able to energize the body and mind, which become then our tools of experience in the manifest worlds. And similarly, Hindu Dharma makes the divine very simple as also that same light of consciousness behind nature, behind the sun and the moon, behind all the forms, qualities, the vibrations. It can also be defined as Omkara or Nada or the divine word or sound manifestation. So when we look at who we are and what the divine is in the light of the Vedic teachings and the Hindu Dharma, we see that our relationship is one of friendship, kinship, and ultimately unity and identity. Or we are within the divine is within us, and that divine essence is infinite, eternal, beyond qualities, but is also the essence of all qualities: the light behind the light, the energy behind energy, the color behind color, and so forth. So everything we can experience is ultimately our relationship with the divine.